Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, I'm so excited to receive the Glossybox limited edition Christmas box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Glossybox Christmas limited edition box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much, Glossybox, for sending me this amazing box to show my viewers. You guys, what is this reminding you of? This looks like a baby sister to the Advent calendar box. The Advent calendar box that they had this year was absolutely gorgeous, and they sold out super quick. I know a lot of people that wanted to purchase it, but it was already sold out. This looks just like the packaging, but in a baby version. Now, it's not gonna have the little boxes inside, but this is at least the outside packaging. So it has the same marbled, like rose gold, pink, and white effect with the Glossybox. The back just has their logo, and it'll open up like this to the main box. This is extremely beautiful packaging, you guys. It says, there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. And then you can definitely keep this box and use this as storage, but this is just gorgeous. This box is just beautiful. So when you open it up, there is the card right here that will go over the items and hopefully the pricing, that kind of thing, but we'll check it out. There is their normal, where they wrap it with the ribbon and the tissue paper. And that's what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and see what all we have. Now this box is $35 for non-subscribers. So if you do not currently subscribe to Look Fantastic's beauty box, this would be $35. If you are a current subscriber, this entire box would only be $30. There's 8 products and a value of over $200 is what this is supposed to be. Now, I do have a link down below. You can definitely click that to go check them out. If you did want to sign up for the beauty box, you can get your very first box for only $16 by following my link, and then it will take $5 off of this, making it only $30. But I will link everything down below. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what is all inside. So the first thing that I'm pulling out, it says Authentic Beauty Concept. And this is a dry shampoo, texture shampoo. So there's that. So this right here says it's a deluxe mini. The mini is valued at $10. The full size is $25 and would be 5.3 fluid ounce. And this is a 2.1 fluid ounce as the deluxe mini, but this right here is already valued at $10. So again, there is the packaging. So we have a dry shampoo. Now we have is a and I always don't know how to say this, if it's it's like Christopher but no R, and Robin. And this right here says Cleansing Volumizing Paste. That is a really good brand, even though I don't know how to say it. But it comes around in subscription boxes, and I have used quite a few different products, and they're really, really good. This is a deluxe mini. This unique blend of Razul clay helps preserve and enhance color while creating volume from the roots without weighing down your hair. So this is for your hair. And it says that apply to damp hair in place of shampoo and massage, rinse, and follow with a conditioner. So you use this in place of a shampoo. Again, this is the deluxe mini. It's a 40 ml, and this is valued at $10.13. The full size is a 75 ml, and it's valued at $19. So if you like it, you can purchase the full size, but that is a good size, at least to try out. So already we're well over $20 on the first 2 products. So now we have this BioSilk Silk Therapy. I actually have used this. I purchased this from like a hair place many years ago, and I don't currently have it anymore, but I'm really glad now to have it and that it's in a smaller size because I don't use a whole lot of hair products. So I like that this is actually in a smaller size because then I'll actually probably use it. So it's not sitting around. This is the deluxe mini. It's a 2.26 fluid ounce, and this is valued at $15.95. The full size is a 12 ounce, and it's valued at $49.70. And this stuff is expensive, you guys. I know, because again, I've purchased it before. But this says to shake well and warm a few drops between the palms, and then apply from scalp to the end of whether It's a wet hair or a dry hair. So you have a silk therapy for your hair, and there is the actual packaging. Again, this is valued at $15.95. So we're already close to $40 already. So now we have is a full size. This looks like a lip liner. And this right here is the full size. Yes, it's in Strawberry Daiquiri lip liner. This is valued for $12. And let's see what color this is. So that's what it looks like there. That's a nice pinky mauve color. That's a really pretty color. So you have that as the lip liner. So right there. And you could probably use it just to fill in if you wanted to, not just for a lip liner. You can fill it in and use it like a lipstick would be. So there's that. And again, this is valued at $12. Now, moving right along, we have this product that says Daily Serum number 1, Revive, Rejuvenate, Intra Sucrose. I'm not sure how to say that brand. Holy moly! Holy moly. Okay, you guys, this is a deluxe size. This is valued well over this entire box. This says dramatically improve your skin's texture, radiance, and vitality with this rejuvenating serum anti-aging ingredients. I cannot wait to try you. This right here, again, is the Deluxe Mini, 15 mil. Can you guess how much this is? I'll wait. Was anybody near $74.50? No? Yes? Yes, no? $74.50 for the mini. The full size is a 30 mil, which is double, and it's $149. I'm so glad that this comes in this box so you get to try it, and I bet you it's a really good serum, especially for the price of $74.50 for this guy right here. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to try it. So here's the packaging. There is the top, and it's a little nozzle. Oop. And I just wasted like $5 on that pump. It's like, can I just put it on my skin? I'm gonna rub it into the palm of my hand. It has like a nice like scent to it. Nothing too overpowering, but I do smell something. I'm just gonna put them on the top of my hands here. I mean, it's a serum, right? Yeah, it just has like a nice cleansing. It has like a little slight scent to it, but nothing, like I said, nothing overpowering. Holy moly, $74.50. Okay, so let's keep on going. So now we have is this set right here. It says Travel Buddy Moisturizing Mini Kit. Healthy skin goes with you. So this is a full size, and this is Chemist Confessions. This mini travel kit includes a soothing moisturizer, a water gel, a hydrating oil, and a balm to fight dry patches. Oh, wow. Okay, so look at how this opens. How cute. And it says, start with the water gel, add a layer of the moisturizer, use a couple of drops of the oil, and finish with the balm. And this is valued at $35. So this looks really, really cute. I don't know what it is. We're gonna try it. We're gonna open it and we are going to find out. This does say, check out the entire line and get 15% off your order. Use promo code Glossybox. And that is at the www.chemistconfessions.com. And it says promo code Glossybox for 15% off. But here's the inside of the packaging. So in here it gives you all different useful information about each individual one as well. And then down inside of here, it has their brand on the back. This is a cute little bag though. And then I guess this would be like your travel friendly when you're going on the plane. I'm gonna save this for when I do travel because then I can take this with me since I only leave for a little bit. But here's this guy. This is the Balm Voyage. This little guy right there. This is the Better Oil. This is Mr. Reliable. And then this one is Aqua Fix Hydrating Water Gel. So that's really cool that it gives you a little set. So if you are traveling, I mean, a lot of people really shouldn't be or are not traveling right now and staying home safely where they belong. But when we can start traveling again, or if you do need to travel for whatever reason, this would be good to take with you because then you have your whole skincare regimen right there in this little handy dandy travel friendly case. And there's what the inside looks like. So that is super cute. Again, this is valued for $35. Okay, so next we have is, oh, whoa. We have this big old thing. It's a face mask with this 2 different piece contraption. This is Ms Skin. This is a Hydra Lift Golden Facial Treatment Mask. This is the full size, and this is valued for $30. Clinically proven to improve skin's smoothness, this facial mask will hydrate, lift, and prime your skin while targeting hyperpigmentation. Leave on for up to 20 minutes, peel and remove excess with warm water. Again, valued at $30. And there's that, your 2-piece. Keep it on for 20 minutes. Now the last item in here, you guys, this is going to be the 8th item. And this is a Bright Lights nail polish. This is Lauren B Beauty, a full size, and this values for $14. Flash a fusion of gold and silver glitter on your fingers and toes this holiday season. You'll light up any look. Like, it just left glitter, how can I show you, on my nail. But there's silver and gold. Silver and gold. And that is everything that came in this limited edition Christmas box, you guys. Not only do you have the cutest packaging, again, you can use this for anything because you just take your little stuff out. The inside has that, and you can use this box for anything that your little heart desires. The box is absolutely beautiful. Then you have this full-size face mask. You have a travel-friendly skincare regimen 4-piece set. You have a glitter nail polish to help you bling bling for the holiday. You have this really expensive face serum, which is actually a really good size for it being a deluxe mini. I can't wait to try this and see what it does. We have a full-size lip liner. You have this I'm not quite sure, this hair product. You have this Bio Silk hair product as well, this Silk Therapy, which is really good. And then you have a dry shampoo. So that is everything that came in this box. Again, it would be $30 for subscribers, $35 for non-subscribers, free international shipping, and everything will be linked down below. Comment down below, you guys, though. Let me know, what did you think of the items in here? What did you think of this packaging? What do you think of this box overall for this special edition Christmas box? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.